Since it's Easter Monday tomorrow, to those who are going to the graveyards to say we are going to clean, go and clean. That is fine, that is perfect. But you don't have to pray when you get there. You don't have to say things or talk a lot. Your vulnerable stuff. You don't have to be like that. When you go there, clean, just clean the space, then come back home. You do not have to say anything or talk or rather pray when you get there. Why am I saying that? Familiar spirits are a real thing because sekukuningi okwenziwa emangcwabeni these days. Umoya omubi mningi ovukile in such a way that kukhona abahambayo bayoncupha lapha abomndeni. And it's in the family, it's not like outside the family. Kukhona abahambayo bayoncupha lapha emathuneni babeke izinto zabo bayenze izinto zabo. Wena kusasa uyafika uzothi uzophahla lapho uzocela uzothanda uzokhala uzoyenzana bese ubonakala utrepeka. Ubonakala izinto zikulandela usuphupha namaphupho angasekho right ke manje. Umuntu wayekujabulela emaphupheni so umphupha manje angasakujabuleli sekakwenza obubi. So please guys, to those who are going to the graveside tomorrow, just get there, clean the grave and then come back. That's it. No need to pray, no need to talk too much, no need to say anything. Just clean it if vele you haven't been there for the longest time, and then that's it. Then you move on with your life. Why am I saying this? Kuningi okumnyama okwenzakalayo emangcwabeni. Kuningi abantu abakuzamayo emangcwabeni. And if when you are a regular there, uthola mina I want to go there, bazakuthola lapho. Ukhumbule, monitoring spirits are helping those who are just busy with you. So those monitoring spirits, they are monitoring othanda ukengcwabeni bazokucupha-ke ngalelo ngcwaba othanda ukuya kulo. So please be safe, clean and just come back home, and then that's it. Clean and come back home. I will have a story time about these familiar spirits. Amen.